Greetings, I'm Brian Engel with Next Home West Metro, and I'm out in front of my newest listing, 14620 94th Street Northeast in Otsego. This home sits on 1.22 acres. It also has access to a little over 16 acres on the river. So you can have river access as a member of the Homeowners Association, which is $47 a year. And the beauty of this neighborhood is it's really like a couple blocks off of County Road 39, but it is super quiet. Everybody's got a minimum of an acre lot. Most people have a little bit over that. And so, you know, if you look behind me, there's your nearest neighbor. This lot is heavily treed. So when I first met with these sellers, it was close to 90 degrees and they didn't have the air conditioning on. There was a nice breeze blowing through the home. The shade of these trees really keeps it cool. So the home has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths as it sits now. Could be 4 bedrooms, even be 5 bedrooms because it's got an unfinished basement. So let's go in and have a look at this beauty.